this episode of Trying Not to Sink, we clean the pool. Nah, just kidding. We're gonna go down to Penn's Landing. We're gonna move our boat from Pier 5 over to our regular slip. See you there.
Ah, the clear blue water of the Caribbean. Is it? Or is it? The pool is being opened. What are we about to do?
We are going to move the boat, the big boat, Triton Hatteras, from Pier 5 over to Penn's Landing Marina.
Why are we doing that today? I thought we had like another week.
They are doing some work on the pier next to us. There's I don't know what you're going to call it. It's a pier dedicated to arts community. It's called Cherry Street Pier. And there's big metal windows at the top of this pier, and they're cutting them out. And we're afraid that some of the sparks coming from the top may end up landing on our boat and damaging the paint job. So we are going to move the boat. We talked to Penn's Landing. They'll let us move it in a couple weeks early. We weren't supposed to move there till June 1st, but they're letting us come in today, which is, I think, May 12th, 13th. And so that's what we're doing. Okay, well, just a couple of lines to take off here, and we will be on our way to Penn's Landing Marina.
We'll see you guys. We'll be over for them.
When the tide is high and the water's rising, and you don't know why you can't keep the light in every skyfall is a silver lining, and when the smoke clears appears a revival. We've all got things to outrun when moments come undone. I fall right into love. I'm coming back to what I know. I hold it in my arms, a sense of where I belong. I'm coming back to love. I know you won't let go. When I've got a lot to lose, only one thing gets me through. Oh, when my
Holy crap. Boy, it looks like they're working on it.
right back to you.
Well, it's nice to be underwater.
Yeah, it is.
It felt strange at first, but now I feel normal again.
Woohoo! This is our big trip for the year. 0.05 miles we're going. Something like that.
When stars align and the sky is clearing, you wanna hold on tight to all you've been missing, and a hopeful sound coming out of the clearing, and it's all around, something to believe in. We've all got things to outrun when moments come undone. I fall right into
First time out. Yay! Time to party!
Oh God, how do you feel about that, bro? She's gonna be great at it. Look at how good she's doing. Jess is doing her turn. Look at that. That's really good.
Yeah.
Look at that girl go.
Your signature's going down.
Only waited 41 years for this day.
Okay, so follow your fire so that that's something outside this one.
Well, that's it. We're no longer two boat owners.
Yep.
They're a great family, aren't they, Ed?
This is pretty cool.
They're gonna have so much fun on that. Don't you think?
We're now the only people in our friend group here at the marina that doesn't own two boats.
Yeah.
They're going to throw us out of the yacht club.
That's okay. I couldn't be happier
Yeah.
where she's going
It's
to.
cool.
You know?
It's really cool, and it's a little bit depressing, you know. Could have missed the boat.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be happy when they change the name.
Well,
But yeah.
life happens, you know. She's really excited about it, though. How excited they are about the.
Yeah.
Doesn't that remind you how excited we were about
Yeah,
the?
definitely.
You know, remember?
Well, that's what you need, you know. If you don't have that initial excitement, because you got to get through a lot when you're on a boat. You have to
love a boat.
Yeah. You have to love a little bit of work, a little bit of elbow grease.
But
and,
remember I said, like, every time we do work on a boat, it's kind of like, it's work, but it's got, the office view is beautiful. And after you're done your work.
Well, it's enjoyable work generally. Sometimes I don't like it, but mostly it's enjoyable work. I liken it to like cleaning the pool. You know, I don't like to clean the pool, but it's okay. You're outside in the sun. It's an enjoyable chore, sort of.
So it's relaxing.
And I think working on boats that way too.
Yeah. Except when you do the
except for the heads.
Tomorrow.
Except for working on the heads. It's tomorrow's projects. Well,
that's what we did tell them. Like,
well.
First time someone flushes something big down that toilet, your duck bills.
Well.
That's the bugger on toilets, which a lot of people that are guests on a boat, they don't know that.
Well,
and as much as you tell them, whatever, they don't care.
Well, the upside is now I can just focus on this boat. I don't have to focus on keeping two boats maintained.
But I kind of do worry for them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, well,
I want to make sure they're okay.
We'll definitely do that. I'll make sure. Believe me, they're newbies. They're gonna have a million questions over there. But I don't care. I'm anxious to get on this boat. I want to get on all the repairs and little improvements and clean this damn thing. You know, I can't wait till the weather's a little bit better. You know?
It's crappy and it's cold and there's like Arctic coming in.
Just give me like 60 degrees and I'll be out there.
I know. Why isn't that coming? Why is it still so chilly?
A week. This is the last week.
Is it?
Yeah,
hopefully.
We'll be in the 70s next week.
Because there's so much I want to do here. I got to scrub down. I got to hose down this. The upper deck. But I mean, they have all those worries too, and it just like I said before, it reminds me when we first got the boat. The only lucky star for them that we didn't have is someone to ask. Yeah. I wish we had someone to ask.
Well, I'm going to contact them tomorrow because there's a couple things I forgot to show them. I want to show them still.
Yeah. Well, cheers, baby. And congratulations to them. Peace out. I mean, Roger out.